Hey everybody, it's Karen with Food and Family. I'm about to start dinner and I wanted to bring you along. I am trying something new today. I have some pork chops, and I've told y'all before, pork chops is my all-time favorite. But what I want to do is I have some wood-fired garlic seasoning, and I have some chipotle seasoning that I'm going to be using on these pork chops. And then we're doing a barbecue sauce with some raspberry jam. Don't that sound delicious? Sounds different anyway. But we're going to do some asparagus. I'm going to roast some asparagus in the oven, and I'm going to bake some sweet potatoes. So first I want to get the seasoning on my pork chops and get them right here where you can see. And I'm just sprinkling. I can't tell you what, just as I tell you before, sprinkle with your heart. That's what I do. So I'm going to start out with the wood-fired garlic. And let's just, I love garlic. Oh, it looks so pretty on these pork chops. Now, these pork chops are on the thinner side. They're not thick pork chops. Oh, that smells so good. And you can smell that smokiness, the wood-fired smokiness. And this chipotle, if I'm saying it correctly, it smells good too. But y'all, you know what? Chipotles are made of jalapenos. And I don't know how hot this is. I hope not too hot, because I'm really seasoning it. I want to turn it over and season the other side also. So, but then I'm going to sprinkle a couple of dashes of Worcestershire sauce. And I'm just going to put a little bit on one side. And just a couple little dashes on there, and just let it sit there for just a minute. So I want to get some oil in my skillet, and not much, just enough to keep it from sticking. Now you can also do these on the grill if you want to. And I bet that'd be good, especially with that wood fire from that wood-fired garlic. Wouldn't that be amazing? Okay, so let's turn this on. I want that to get heating. So while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and start my sweet potatoes. I'm just going to bake them in the microwave, y'all. I didn't take time early enough to get this together to bake them in the oven, but Pop helped me. We got them really scrubbed well and poke holes in them. I don't want them to explode in my microwave. And no, I'm not putting this pan in the microwave. I've just got them sitting there. So let's get them started, okay? So we got those going, and I've got my oven heating up so we can get our asparagus in there. But let's go ahead and get these pork chops in the pan because it's hot. And I've got my temperature set to 350, and I might just put some Worcestershire on that other side. What do y'all think? We might as well. Oh my goodness, y'all. That smells amazing just hitting that pan. Let's put a couple of dashes on it sitting right there. There we go. We'll turn it down just a touch. Just a touch. So while it's heating up, that's cooking up, I want to make the sauce. okay? And I don't know how much I'm gonna need, but you know, if we'll make too much, we'll just keep it in the fridge. If we don't have enough, we'll make some more. So I've got, this is a 15.3 ounce bottle. I love Kinders. Yeah, so let's just pour out, that's not quite half of the bottle. Let's pour about half of this bottle. Now, you want your jam, you don't want jelly. And this is an all fruit, it's seedless. You can use it with seeds, it's up to you. So I want to kind of break it up a little bit before I put it in here. And I'm just going to put, that's about a tablespoon. Just put a couple of tablespoons in there. And we're just going to give this a good stir. Now let me get my whisk. Because I want this sauce to be smooth. So let's taste it. That's good. But you know what? I think I want a touch more of this raspberry jam. So I'm going to put another tablespoon. I'm going to call that a tablespoon. And get it all mixed up. Now, we're browning these pork chops and they will not take long because they're thin. All right. I think that's going to be good right there. Should have kept my spoon and tasted it. We can get another one, can't we? It's a little more what I'm going for. It's got a little bit of sweet taste, but still smoky from that barbecue sauce. That's going to be good. And we're going to use our basting brush to brush it on here. Let's check these pork chops. Yep, they're browning good. Now, I need to get this asparagus in the oven, so move that back. I didn't mean to move it. I'm not ready yet. Okay, so I'm gonna drizzle it with y'all seen me do asparagus before. I'm gonna drizzle it with olive oil, then I'm just gonna put some salt and pepper. Now that's not a lot of salt, it's spread out. And I'm betting you one of these seasonings would be good on it, wouldn't it? Let's leave it like it is. I love my asparagus. I might try it one day though. So using our hands, of course, I'm just gonna move that around, get it coated with that oil and that salt and pepper distributed. Let me wash, and I'm gonna put this in the oven. Give me a minute. Okay, y'all, I've got my pork chops where I want them. Look at that. Aren't they beautiful? Now, we're gonna start basting them with this sauce. I wanna give it one more stir with my whisk. And we're just gonna baste it right on there. We're gonna let it sit there for just a minute, and then we're gonna turn it over and cook this sauce on it on the frying pan. And we're probably gonna do that a couple of times. So let's give them a flip. Can you hear that sound? Now, when you're cooking pork, You want your pork to be 145, no less. So, and I checked mine with my thermometer. And I'm just gonna baste this side and let it be seeping into that pork chop. Can you hear that cooking in that pan? It's all those sugars from the sauce and the raspberry jam. Oh, it sounds, you know, it smells good. I've said many times we need to smell a video. So let's flip it over and we're gonna cook that side. I'm gonna put a little bit more on it. Okay, so I've got my sweet potatoes baked. Now what I do is take them out, I wrap them in foil, leave them in the paper towel. I wrap them in foil and set them aside. Now this foil will keep them warm, and if they're not totally cooked in the center, that'll help finish them off a little bit. So remember that. Okay. Give that another minute on this side. We're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna take these up. I'm waiting on the asparagus to get finished. So when this all gets done and comes together, I'm gonna come back and we're gonna taste this together, okay? I've got this all together and I brought him in. Yeah, look at these pork chops. Isn't that beautiful? Let's try them. What do you say?
I'm ready when you are.
All right, so we did some baked sweet potatoes. I showed y'all that. Aren't
It all
they
smells
gorgeous?
so good.
And this asparagus. Look, just don't overcook it. See, it's still beautiful green.
That's right.
All right, so let me serve you.
No other word for it than beautiful.
I know it. I know it. So let's get you a pork chop.
I can get it.
Let's get you some asparagus. And let's set you a baked potato. Let's set you a baked potato right here.
There you go.
Now, yeah, isn't that a beautiful plate? Looky there.
Looks awesome.
All right, so you dive in and be trying, and I'm gonna fix mine. Now, it's got a chipotle seasoning, so it's gonna have just a little bit of a kick to it, but on the pork chop, but I don't think I overdid it. I hope I didn't.
No, I can tell you didn't. The asparagus has got a little bit of a crunch, but it's so tender.
Yes, and that's what I wanted with the asparagus. Okay, y'all, let's move that out of the way. Let's try this. I'm ready. I figured you might be getting hungry.
I am. I've been outside working all day, most of the day. Short of watching one video on Louisiana fishing and Cajun cooking.
Oh, I'm ready to go in.
Go ahead. I'm right behind you.
Go. Y'all.
So good.
That is good. It's
It
got,
I got a piece to back it up here.
it's got enough sweet from the raspberry jam, but it's got that smoky wood-fired taste from the wood-fired garlic and the barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Isn't that
Add a
delicious?
spice.
I didn't overdo it with the chipotle, did I?
No, wow. No.
Okay, I want to try this sweet potato. Yeah, I love to put brown sugar on my sweet potato. I should have put a little pinch of cinnamon with it. That would have been good too. We got the holidays coming up,
This
so
is
you know what
good,
we're going to
good,
be
good.
making with sweet potatoes.
You can use cinnamon too next time.
It has been a while since we've done sweet potatoes. And that is awesome. And y'all,
Yeah, I used to not be a fan of sweet potatoes.
I don't eat asparagus with my fork.
I don't either.
That's good. Like I said, it's got just enough crunch left to it, but it's tender. What I call a tender crisp. Yeah. I hope you're going to make this because I think you're going to enjoy it. And it's so simple, so simple. And you actually could have your pork chops seasoned and in the refrigerator, excuse me, the night before. You can have your sauce mixed up, your barbecue sauce and the raspberry fixed up and, stirred together and in the refrigerator. So when you come home from work or school, you're trying to get the family all together. You need to cook dinner. The kiddies have got to get homework, or you
It'd
just
take
want to
no time
play.
at all.
Throw this in your pan and no time at all, like he said. Have your sweet potatoes washed and ready to go when you come in. The asparagus is washed and cleaned, ready to go. It's simple. You can have this meal done in 30 minutes at the most.
Or less.
It didn't take no time. Pork chops cook so quick. Just don't overcook them because they get tough. Another recipe for the books.
Oh yeah, definitely. It's all good.
So we'll make this again.
I'm still eating on it.
You keep eating and I'll stop talking. All right, thanks everybody. We so appreciate each and every one of you, and we enjoy having you in our kitchen with us, and we hope you're going to come back. But y'all, please don't forget, we have 2 cookbooks, and we have volume 1 and volume 2, and I certainly hope you'll go out and check them out. They're on my website, KarenJonesFoodAndFamily.com. And I hope I see you soon. Thanks, everybody.